from the UAE, anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, moved into the Asian continent and eventually all the way to Australia. So we, the UAE, have been a pathway for the spreading from Africa into Asia of mammalian fauna and of Homo sapiens. We have played a role there that we hadn't even thought about 20, 25 years ago. But as a result of the research undertaken over the last few years or over the past couple of decades, this kind of information is now coming to light. And this is crucial in terms of the way the UAE now understands itself, that it wasn't just an isolated bit of desert on the fringe of nowhere, that it had a role to play and that it still has a role to play. I'm jumping to the Neolithic period, again, to pick up some of these wow things, all right? That is a house on the island of Mrawah, west of Abu Dhabi. It was built 7,500 years ago. And that's what it looks like today after excavation. There were houses that were less sophisticated than that being built in the UAE as recently as 100, 150 years ago. It was sophisticated architectural methods being used in a way that is not found anywhere else